Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth soup with vegetables. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, which can be a whole chicken cut into pieces or just bones and scraps for broth. Next, prepare your vegetables. Carrots, celery, and onions are classic choices. Finally, have your seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a bay leaf ready to enhance the flavor profile of your delicious homemade soup. Now, let's start making the broth. Place your chicken pieces and roughly chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the ingredients are fully submerged. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for at least 2 hours, or even longer for a deeper flavor, regularly skimming off any foam that rises to the top. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the cooked solids. Shred the chicken meat from the bones and set it aside. Return the clear broth to the pot and add fresh, finely chopped vegetables like carrots, celery, and peas. Simmer the soup until the new vegetables are tender crisp, then add the shredded chicken back in and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Your delicious homemade chicken broth soup with vegetables is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or dill for an extra touch of flavor. If you have any leftovers, store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze portions for longer storage. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. This soup is perfect for a comforting meal anytime.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.